All right, I want to say big ups to all the fruitarians out there who have made me come to this point of wanting to try this particular fruit, lemon drop melon. I've never tried it. I never even heard of it until I've looked into other fruitarians on how they come far with becoming a fruitarian. Now, me per se, I really sometimes don't feel comfortable saying I'm a fruitarian because God has permitted mankind to just eat fruits, seeds, and nuts. So why should we call that fruitarian? Now, I can understand at the same time why we call ourselves that, because we are basically identifying ourselves from the world with the way they're eating. That's it. But I wish I can just be natural with it, but people wouldn't understand. People wouldn't understand. People don't understand the called out ones as it is. So we just say fruitarian. So you can just know what we eat and why, by question, we choose to finally just eat fruit. Me, I eat fruit, seeds, and nuts. And yes, I drink my vegetables. And I drink water. Yes, I do. Some fruitarians, they claim they don't drink water. They claim they don't eat vegetables, or either probably don't drink vegetables. I don't know. I have nothing to do with that, but this is my choice. I eat fruits, I eat seeds and nuts, and I drink my vegetables, and I drink water. Yes, boom. Now, the lemon drop melon has brought me to this video, and I want to try it. I never tried it, and I want to. Other fruitarians have made a big thing about this. I hope you all can see it. They made a big thing about this, and this is how it looks. Now, someone will usually, excuse the lighting, someone will usually have the sticker on there that say lemon drop melon, but this one didn't have it. I got it at Jewel's Osco for $4. Yeah, $4. So they say it tastes like lemonade. It tastes like lemonade. It's a melon that tastes like lemonade, basically. So I don't know. I'm just going to try it. And I started to also buy some lemons just in case I didn't really taste the lemon in this. But I'm glad I didn't, because I don't want to cheat. I just want to go and give it a shot and see for myself on how this tastes. They said it's awesome. People was like, no, I'm totally constantly buying this till I get tired of it. So this is how it looks. Some may just be yellow all over instead of the rough part, like a cantaloupe, the skin of a cantaloupe. So, and that's basically all it is. It's just I call it a cantaloupe melon cantaloupe, whatever, but this is a lemon drop melon. It's supposed to taste more a citrus flavor to it. So I'm gonna cut it up, and I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, so I've cut up the lemon drop melon, and I have, and it's real juicy. I'm totally like dropping juice. So this is how it's looked after being cut up. Excuse the lighting on this dumb phone, but anyway, so I'm going to try it and see what it's like. It tastes more like a regular cantaloupe. It tastes more like a regular cantaloupe, but as I eat more, it's real juicy, y'all. Excuse the but the more I chew it, it started to taste a little lemon, but it's not powerful citrus like some been saying. Now I guess it depends on how ripe the lemon drop melon is too. I guess it depends on how ripe it is, but tastes more to me like a cantaloupe. It don't even taste like a melon. It tastes more like a cantaloupe. Now, what I can say is real juicy, so I'm sure it's right. It's good. It's good and juicy compared to other melons. Most melons and cantaloupes are not that juicy. They can be just a regular dried fruit, and then sometimes you gotta pick and see if it's soft enough to really eat and enjoy it. But this is actually juicy. Wow, it's juicy. It tastes juicy. It tastes like a cantaloupe and a melon at the same time. Maybe a little bit of lemon. Maybe a little bit. Now, when I buy another one, I'm going to squeeze a lemon on here. I'm going to squeeze my lemon. Right now, I don't taste the powerful lemon in this one. Would I buy it again? Yes. Because it's a fruit and it's juicy. And come on, you know. Now, let me tell y'all something. What I have tried and what I wouldn't buy again, and I don't care. Somebody would have to buy it, and maybe I'll try theirs and see if it was just mine that wasn't really right. What, I don't know. But a dragon fruit, I would not buy again. I would not buy that again. I bought one at Jewel's, and it didn't taste like nothing. It was basically an unsweetened kiwi. That's what it tastes like, an unsweetened kiwi, a dragon fruit. So, leave the comments on that. Y'all had dragon fruit, what do it taste like? Because I had one, I paid like almost $12 for it. And it didn't taste like nothing. I'm so serious. It didn't have no type of flavor in it. And I was very disappointed. For real. I paid $4 for this. And I'll buy it again, but I'll probably buy some lemons and just squeeze it. I guess it depends on what lemon you get. I mean, what melon you get. So, I told one of my co-workers that I was going to try and I was going to keep it 100. I'm not going to be on YouTube faking it because of the majority. No. So, would I buy this lemon drop melon again? Yes. Is it that powerful citrus lemon flavor to it like everybody else is saying? Not mine. Not the one I bought. Not the one I bought. Will I buy another one and squeeze lemons on it? Yes. Now, before I squeeze the lemon on the next one I buy, I taste it. I taste it, and if it tastes like this one, I'm going to just squeeze my lemons on there. That's it. But yes, buy it. It's good. It's juicy, and it's healthy. You know what I'm saying? You know, compared to a dragon fruit, I won't buy a dragon fruit again. Not at all. So that's my input on the lemon drop melon. All right, y'all. Shalom.